Gmail is a part of Google services, and by using the sidebar, you can also easily access out some of the other Google services that there are. So to access the sidebar, you can go around onto the bottom right hand side and you can see that show side panel is an option. If I were to click on this, then over here you can see that I have access to calendar, keep, and then tasks, and then contacts right here. If I were to go around and click on calendar, then you can see that I have access to calendar right here. You can go around and click on Keep right here, and then you have access to Google Keep right here. You can also click on this window to open it separately. You also have access to Google Tasks, as you can see right here, and Google Contacts right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the sidebar to access other Google services easily right from your Gmail inbox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.